how to change the theme in Shotcut. Let's figure that out right now. How to change the theme in Shotcut. What you do is go to settings. There's a theme right there. There's system, which takes a minute. It takes a minute to do, which if you like it, that's the light theme, which there is a theme in there, which is your light theme in there. So there's two light themes. So let's look at the other light theme, which takes a while. This light theme is more of a tealish kind of inner theme or darker theme. Personally, I like the Fusion Dark theme, which takes a while. So, that was the video. And see you guys in the next one.